the motor noise. Yep, you can sleep beside the robot arm now. The modular design allows you to change the end effector within a click and obtain various functions. HEXBOT can be a desktop plotter and turn pixels into ink and pen. Bring arts to your home or write your homework. HEXBOT can be a laser engraver that makes you a toy by engraving on either softer materials like wood and leather or harder materials like porcelain and aluminum. You can make a meaningful gift for your friend or some personalized stuff for your own. HEXBOT can also be a 3D printer that turns your design into a product easily. The intuitive software gives you the seamless control on HEXBOT and creates things in just a few drags and clicks. Moreover, integrated with Blockly, controlling HEXBOT would be as easy as dragging and placing command blocks. The movable touchscreen allows you to control HEXBOT in a more flexible way. The other accessories bring HEXBOT to the next level to build a production line on your desktop. We are bringing our product here on Kickstarter. We have iterated and tested the product in the past 2 years. The product is now ready for manufacturing, but we need your help to press play on production. Back us today and start to bring your ideas to life.
When I first started experiencing hearing loss, I felt disconnected from life.
I didn't want to solve the problem with one of those ugly and expensive hearing aids. Thankfully, there's a stylish and affordable solution called BHearing.
It's a hearing amplifier with all the modern technologies that make interacting with life much easier.
I even bought one from my mom, who only has hearing loss in one ear, and loves the fact that each ear has its own volume control.
I love the magnetic neckband that doesn't fall off, too.
If you're tired of feeling disabled by your hearing loss and want to get back to enjoying life, then BHearing's the answer for you.
This is PIVO. In tech speak, it's a smart interactive pod for your smartphone photography. In plain English, it's just an awesome turning awesomeness. It's not going to make your life better, but it is going to let you be insanely creative with your photos and videos. Here's how. PIVO can follow you as you move,
We always start with sanding.
with both front and back cameras. So now your video blogs look pro.
Secret for a perfect cake is all in the ingredients. Oh, I forgot the cream.
It can also follow objects like your moonwalking shoes or your sock puppet Sylvester Stalsock. Adrian! Not the right movie. PIVO partnered with Restream, so whatever you shoot, with PIVO you can go live on over 30 platforms at once, so all your followers can enjoy your sock. PIVO has a lot of quick creation modes. This is Versus mode. Good for rap battles.
My name drops in, you can kiss my feet.
Yo, whatever.
But also for this.
I'm here with my boo.
Who's that guy?
What guy?
This is Mini-Me. For a shot with Mini You. Even a view coming to hug you but being blocked by you while you look at the entire thing laughing.